Alright. Yeah, we'll get you flannel. What are we doing now, guys?
Making a chocolate cone.
What are they for?
The pie.
So what are we going to put in? Rice bubbles?
Yeah.
Cocoa?
Yeah.
These are rice bubbles in here?
Yeah.
And what's on the stove? Cocoa. Which is melting. See how it's don't touch it, it's like it's almost melted. See? Wow.
I didn't see.
Okay, there you go. See?
Doesn't.
See?
Doesn't it smell?
It doesn't smell, it's just. And then we're going to put it all in a mixer. Oh, where are the candy cans?
It's still in there.
Where are they? Oh, did you want to put the sprinkles on the top?
Yes. No, I don't like sprinkles.
Well, we can make some with sprinkles and some without sprinkles.
And Mum, let's put sprinkles on the cake.
We're not making a cake. Okay, I'm just going to look for this patty pans now. Right, and where did we go? And where did we go this morning? Where did you go this morning with Mummy? No. Went to the doctor, remember?
Yeah.
What did you say?
The doctor had the stitches.
Yeah, it's just like when Nana says your pants, isn't it?
Yeah, because you were very, very brave.
Thank you. And did you get a jelly bean?
Yeah, we
Because Mummy was brave, you got a jelly bean.
Mum got a jelly bean.
Everyone's got a jelly bean.
Thomas, read it out in instructions. What are we going to make? We're making apple and spice biscuits.
No.
Oh, we're making banana cake.
No.
Oh. Are we making chili biscuits for Daddy?
No.
Are we making,
No.
what are they called? Chocolate crackles.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you need 4 cups of rice bubbles,
We did 4
1
cups
cup
of
of designated cocoa, which we don't have.
We do have coconut.
Do we? Okay. 1 cup of icing sugar, icing sugar, cup. Who's going to hold the cup?
We've also got more icing sugar if you need more.
Righto, spoon.
Wow. And who's been eating the rice bubbles?
Yeah, whole cup.
have a drink.
Yep.
Yeah, she can have a drink. Hang on. Put
Can
that over here. So yes, you can. Yes. Put that over here. Put that above that, so if I spill it, it doesn't matter. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Is it full, Thomas? Fill it up. Make sure he fills it up because that's the only sweetness it gets.
It's not that full.
Put all that in. Put it in.
Pop it in, Thomas.
Oh,
They wash their hands, didn't
You
they?
get this one in. Big one.
Right. Now the desiccated coconut is in with the flour
Flour. Where's the flour?
in the pantry. You know those flour, big flour,
right.
those plastic things. One of them's got desiccated coconut at the bottom.
This one?
One of them, I don't know which one. Right, one.
Here we go. Cocoa.
Coconut.
Coconut.
I don't like coconut.
Oh, it's delicious,
1
Tom.
cup.
Have you got a cup?
Yeah,
Oh,
that'll do. Just 1 cup. Put that in. Throw it in.
now this is a children's thing, except for the kofa. You've got to be very careful
Where's
because
the cocoa?
it's on the stove.
Alright, I'm doing the cocoa.
All right, careful. Oh, it's hot. Watch out.
We mix it around.
We need a big spoon.
Who's going to help do the spoon?
No, you want to do the spoon all by myself.
Put the coconut in, Thomas.
Alright, done. Right, this one.
And now I need the chocolate.
Stirring.
No spoon.
Yeah, hang on.
Chocolate now we need.
On a spoon.
Yeah, hang on. Do you want a cup? Do you want a drink first? Please. Right, don't spill the...
Is there enough liquid? Does the volume of liquid to solid look about right?
yeah, about right. Mix the middle bit here.
And cocoa.
How much cocoa?
It's on the rice bubbles box.
Who's coming? Who's coming to your birthday, Thomas?
No.
Nana?
Yup.
Nunu?
Yup.
Nana Marlene?
No, Jessie.
Auntie Maria? Uncle Roger? 3 tablespoons of cocoa.
And some big kids too, Thomas. Poppy and Spencer are coming too. They're big kids.
Who?
Poppy and Spencer.
Oh,
They're
what's her name?
Ben's. Yeah, David and Mary. Yeah.
Who else is coming?
That's it. And Henny, Pam, the mother-in-law.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hen.
Oh, your mum knows that.
And then there's we got another big party tonight, and there's going to be lots of people come tonight.
Right.
Oh.
How much is it?
Now, hang on. How much is that? Half a cup.
How much is this one?
Half a cup.
I think you said 3 tablespoons.
That's about half a cup, isn't it?
Well, if it needs more chocolate, I'll taste it. We'll put more chocolate. Now, who's got the spoon?
Oh, we need more chocolate.
Well, they've got to look chocolate. Now, mix it all up.
Right. Who wants another spoon?
I need a spoon. Because I have to do it fast.
And I have to go shopping this afternoon.
Yeah, soon.
Why?
Well, you have to go shopping soon.
Well, because slowly. So
You have to be back by
and you got to
2.
get these lumps out. See all these? Oh, I think we got sugary lumps everywhere.
That's alright. Come on.
Break that one
And
up.
you have to make all the rice bubbles black. We might need more.
So, Jessie, we'll wash that.
There you go.
Okay, all done. Now, you're still trying to find the patty cakes. Do you want me to try and
What are
find them? They're little paper cups that you're going to go in. Little tiny ones.
These ones.
Well, they are the backup plan, but if you can find the new ones, they're only the backup plan. There's a
Oh, I
whole...
got 'em.
Fantastic. See the little tiny ones? Yeah.
Look, baby. What are they called? Baby patty pans.
Yeah. So therefore, but it's got to be mixed really properly, guys.
And then you put
Why?
That's it. Then you...
And then you put it. And then what you do?
smells like. See these lumps? Hang on, baby. Just chill out. See those lumps? We've got to sort of break them up. So put those lumps in here.
And Daddy will
Break
smash them.
like that. Can you find any more white lumps? Because we should have. Yeah, we should have sifted the sugar.
Okay.
Right. Is it tasting good?
Does it taste right? Can you remember what it's supposed to taste like?
Yeah. Tastes like sugar and cocoa.
Yeah. And cocoa, fat. Don't forget the fat.
Mmm. Baby likes it.
Does he like it?
Oh, he's another one.
Right, put it in here.
Jesse, you like that?
And what we do is we pull these things out, I suppose.
Somebody tip the bowl up and show me the bowl because I've zoomed in. Like on the
Tip
cooking
the bowl
show.
up to it.
There we are.
Yeah, you showed
There
it.
we have it. Now mix it. Somebody mix it. Give it a mix.
Give it a big mix.
Because I'm zooming in on the bowl. Right. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Edie.
Look at all these lumps. Get these lumps out, someone.
Because Auntie Maria wouldn't get them in her cooking.
Well, I'm not very good at this.
Right.
Alright, that's enough.
Now, you scoop them into...
Stop.
Watch, everyone. What we do, you get like that, you put them in there.
I can do it.
You can do it.
Yeah. Watch it.
And then we should
And we
probably
got
get a
a
tray and put them in the
tray.
fridge. We need a tray.
Yeah, Thomas. Not quite mashed it. Yeah, well, I'll do it later. Let's pull the lumps out. You did a very good job.
You don't need the lumps, just pull them out.
Yeah. Yes. I'll get you another one.
Is it sweet enough, Trev? Does it need more icing?
No.
That's my spoon.
There you are. I'm going to try it. Hang in there.
The trays are... yeah, that's better. Just pop them on a tray, then we're going to put them in the
So we
fridge.
put them on a tray like this.
Oh,
We need to put anything down underneath the tray.
no, because we've got there in the patty cans. Okay.
We don't need this, do we?
Only if you wanted to put a few sprinkles on the top. That's
I
a
don't
choice.
want to put.
Not really, they don't really go over sprinkles. Okay, so we're all done. So everyone's going to say bye-bye to the camera.
Righto.
Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah,
See ya.
right.
Good.